now our repository is completed. Now we uh, first of all we need to commit our code. Git status git add dot git commit hyphen m repository and unit of work pattern implemented. Okay, so need to push origin main. So done. Now we focus on creating our service. Okay, BLL work, BLL part. We create another folder directory for services and another directory for request view model. Okay, so need another file for add our all dependency, that is class static class bll dependency, and called also this is static class public static I service collection, sorry, I service. So what is the it is I service collection. I copy this and paste. All BLL dependency and need to extension en dependency this I service collection services BICS. Okay, so here we write all our service file return services. So we need to add this in our program file and Control D and Control V. So need to inject reference. Okay, so our dependency also loaded. So we cross this and our service file, we created a service for our department work. So I create interface I department service and also create a class ment service. Okay, so I create some method for testing, and when you are inserting new a department, then you need to add a model. That cause I create a class department insert view model, insert request view model. Okay, so I create department DPA sorry, some spelling mistake. So I refactor, what is refactor, rename DPART department insert request view model. So change department insert request model to get prop string name. This is a basic project. I know when we are developing any complex solution, we need to write huge folder. And another good news is in this my channel, within 1 or 2 days I am adding another section for domain driven design. Then you learn software architecture more and more properly way. Okay, so this for understanding purpose. So I create a task department and create insert async and insert view model and got this request. Okay, so for this part insert and is for getting list of department, that is get all and sync. It's not getting any parameter. Then task department delete async. That time a string department code is coming, and for there I create another method task department get a async. Same time it's come a department code. Okay, so some basic method I created, and department service I implement a department service. Missing member need to implement. I'm not writing any logical code here for understanding. I know you know how can you modify your code. So here I inject a department repository, you know, inject only interface, a solid principle, also a pattern, also no id. Okay, and I also inject I unit of work, this unit of work. So I add read only field here and also the read only field here. Okay, so first need very simple task, that is async done await underscore department repository query all and dot to list async. Okay, it provide a list of data, and insert department var department equal to new department, then code equal to request dot code and name equal to department request dot name. Okay, so forget. So I only implement two method, not I know you others method you can easily solve. It's our for understanding project department repository dot create async, then provide the department and await underscore unit of work dot commit. Okay, so the return department. So I implemented only two method, and BLL dependency I also add scope I department service department service. Okay, so this injection also done. So this portion we completed our BLL code. If after writing code first time check it everything is working fine or not. Okay, there is not oops in our code. So now I git add git commit -m department service added in BLL or business logic layer. Okay, so I push origin main. Now in next portion I am creating our controller. Okay, so bye bye.